So today we're buying my new horse, Blackjack. I'm replacing Brownie. If you guys don't know, Brownie's my other horse. It's just she's doing that back at work, so I need a new horse. My other horses are right now not going to be used, but they're going to be at shows all week, so we're going to just walk him around. So yeah, I'm so excited. I got a new horse finally. Get on. Good boy. And this is a good job. Hold up, guys. I'm really glitchy. Okay, it's good.
Move, Moo. I'll get your food in a second.
Okay. We're just gonna do an empty arena right now because and then we're set burnos. Come on. Jump. Good boy. That's a good shot. Good boy. Nope, trot. Good boy. And get it. That's it. Oh my god. It's okay. He's mostly weak. Boat racing. Okay. Canter. Good boy. Okay, I was gonna say good boy, but it's okay. He's not used to me yet, so. Oh, I'm not zooming right. Get on. Get on. Okay, we're gonna be done with warming up. So I'm gonna get off so I can set up the arena. We're gonna do the bear racing, of course. Also, this is a private server, so I mean not a public server. A public server, so ignore the people in the background as well. Why did I do that? That was a crazy accent. Anyways, get. We're going to do grow. Oh, guys, I'm getting kicked off. What is happening right now, guys? My game is glitching. Okay, let's get on the right camera so I can show you. Get. Good boy. And sorry guys,
Hey Siri, set a 15-minute timer.
whoa. Can I be for today, guys?